Hello, my name is Graham Payne. I'm the Water and Sewer Plant Supervisor from Sierra District, California State Parks. Down here we're doing a backflow prevention assembly tester course. It's the first one that the state of California has done. Got other employees that have come down from various locations throughout the state. We've got people from Hearst Castle, Santa Cruz District that have come down. And we're hoping to do more of these classes coming up. Got 14 students in the course that are taking their certification. Once they're completed with this course, and when they pass, they'll have a certification from the American Water Works Association for backflow inspection within the state of California. Backflow is important so that we don't get water in the system, back in the water systems that could be polluted or siphoned back in from campers and anywhere else within our facilities, our maintenance facilities within the park units. This course is a one-week course. Like I said, this is the first course, so we're trying it out to see how it goes, and hopefully we will be able to do more of them in the future. Next one hopefully will be up in McClellan Air Force Base and up in Asilomar, California. So we'll do the trainings up there, and hopefully we'll see you up there for the water plant training classes.